Let that marinate for a few hours. To hold the chicken, I'll be using this bar. So we are going to remove one of the sides. So you just unscrew it here and then remove it completely. Then insert the chicken and return the clip. So let's do that. And then return the other side. And screw it back on. Make sure it's tightly secured. So that's okay. I'll use a twine to tie the legs together. So that looks good. Let's head to the oven. Can you see that hole there? This one. That is where we will insert the skewer. Don't forget to remove the plastic thing. It will melt if you leave it in there. Also, remember to put a baking tray at the bottom to collect the juices. Otherwise, they'll drop on your oven and it will begin to rust. So that's perfect. So this is the rotisserie one. So turn it to that. And we're going to bake for 1.5 hours at 190. As you can see, the chicken is rotating. Let it rotate until it's ready. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. So I'll use these ones to make some stock. The skin is crispy and the inside is very juicy. So for dinner, I'll be having the leg and some potatoes. The breasts, I'll use them for a salad tomorrow. And the whole, the bones and everything, plus the wings, I'll use them for some bone broth. So that's all. Bye guys.